Diwali or Deepavali is the Hindu festival. It symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance. In olden times, Diya was the only source of light when there was any happy occasion around. But nowadays, we have electric lights, bulbs, mirchi lights, crackers. But the thing which remains constant in every Diwali are diyas outside our house. How beautiful the house looks, decorated with diya and rangoli on each and every corner of the house, and of course in our neighborhood also. Hi, my name is Heenal Jain, and I'm gonna teach you how to paint these cute little diyas for the coming Diwali season. As we can't go out, this will be a perfect opportunity to do it yourself and bring out the little artist in you. Take a bowl of water to clean our diyas. So, put your diyas in the water and let the diyas soak in. After that, you need to take a brush to clean our diyas, as mud is stuck inside the designs which are there on the diyas. So we need to move it into circular motions in order to remove the dirt inside the diyas. Clean the back of the diyas as well. Move it gently. You can also do this process with your hands if you don't want to do it with your brush. Just rub it and remove it. Need to let our diyas sit inside the water at least for 5 minutes. Can you see the little bubbles coming up? When the little bubbles stop bubbling, that's when you actually have to remove your diyas. Take the nice smell of diyas. I actually love the smell of wet mud. It's amazing, it's unbeatable. Okay, so now I've taken a different diya because I've already soaked it a long back. So I'm painting my diyas from center with a pink color. I'm using fabric colors. You can use acrylic fabric, any color you want. So I'll be using green, pink, and a shade of gold in this diyas. This color combination is actually taken from the flower lotus. So now I've mixed a little bit of white with pink to make it a baby pink color, and I'll be painting on the outer petal, not outer actually, the upper petal. Do it smoothly, go slow. Even if your color is going out from anywhere, you can just cover it up with any other color. So here I've done it a little bit wrong. I've taken a different I've mixed actually a lot of white, and that's why it's a huge mess kind of thing. But you can just cover it up with the other color. So yeah, see how beautiful it looks. And then I'm again giving a coat of pink to hide my mistake. Yeah, so is it done here? Yeah, now I'm painting gold. This color is not actually gold. This is like a between shade of copper and gold. So paint yours. You can use other color combinations also. You can just google some color combinations which are used in diyas. Mostly it is red, yellow, pink, green, blue, yeah, and gold also. Gold and silver are like ornaments of this diyas. Okay, so completed my gold, almost completed. Yeah. Color it on the edge also. So just check the center of the diya. If it's dried, we're gonna just put small dots with the gold color. It's a pearl color, gold color. Yeah. After that, I'm taking some green color and putting on the outer part of the diya. Cover all the dots, the holes that are there on the outer part of the diya. This is my favorite color combination. You can use blue also instead of green, or you can use olive green also, but this is my favorite green, so I mostly use this color combination in most of the diyas. And on the part of the gold, you can also use this color of white or something. The reason the middle color should be light, so that it separates pink and green, or if you'll start putting yellow or something, it won't look good. And that's why I put this gold color, so that it separates both the heavy colors. So it's done. So now, to really give a little more definition, I'm using blue color on the first 5, and on the first 5 I'm from the right also, and first from the left also. Then I'll be leaving 2, and then I'll be coloring more 5, and then I'll be leaving 2, I'll be coloring 3. You can do this, you don't want to do this, you can also do like 1 green and 1 blue, 1 green, 1 blue, but I like it this way. You should always be little different, so yeah. So now we will be sticking our beads and mirror. This is not real mirror, this is fake mirror. You can find it from any art store, or you can order it online also. I guess it's available online. I don't know, I'm not sure about the place where I stay. I easily get all this, so just do the same pattern on the other side also, and the same way you have to complete the entire diya like this. I'm using a normal glue here because my Fevibond is not there. Fevibond is the actual glue to use for diyas, otherwise all these beads and mirror will come out easily. Fevibond stays for years and years and years, so I trust Fevibond only. Right now I was not able to find my Fevibond, so I'm using this to complete the video. Not always planned when I make videos, so you can use all this the way you want it. I've also made diyas in past which are actually inspired from Garba clothes and Navratri, and I've also painted diyas which are taken inspiration from Barbie. Different things take inspiration, like this color combination is from Lotus. You can take inspiration from Peacock also. It's all up to you. So we've completed this, and now this place is empty, so I'm gonna use this copper goldenish color to make little squares on the outer side, like square kind of shape. Yeah, this will give a very nice look to your diya. It won't look empty also, and it won't look more filled with like. Yeah, done. So now I'm just giving little. So now I'm just painting the inner part of the diyas, like little, not much, very little color. Now I'll be sticking a kundan. No, sorry, not kundan. It's actually a pearl in the center to complete it. Yeah. See how pretty it looks, and two on the sides. If you think that it will get burned when we light the diyas, no, it won't get burned. So see, now our diyas are ready. See how beautiful it looks. My god. And I just forgot, we actually have to add one glitter lining on the border. Don't use that powder glitter. It's done. Diwali is not near, but art doesn't need any perfect occasion to pour in. Hope you like this video, and I will see you next time with one more interesting video. Till then, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.